Hi, today I am going to unbox this useful kitchen tool. This is chopper. You can chop onions or tomatoes, chilies, etc. Now I open the pack already here. Now I am taking out. See, Pigeon Company. This Pigeon Company. They give bill here, Amazon.in. If you want to buy this, I will keep link in the description so you can purchase from the Amazon. See, this is chopper, Pigeon chopper. You can see it is Pigeon chopper. Pigeon chopper. You can see Pigeon. You can see. Now I am going to open this. See, like they give like this cover. See like this. They give here packing. Now I am opening this. See, this is our chopper. See, it is strong, very strong thread they give here. Now I will show you one example. They give here three blades they give here. You can see. You have to keep this blade like this. See, I took already here onions. I am wearing this onion into this, and you have to keep this like this. See, now I will show you this with chopping. You can see here this chopper chopped these onions like this. You can see. Now I am wearing one more piece here. Entered it. See, you have to do only like this. You can see here onions were chopped. I will show you this wearing this and all. See, the onions were chopped very well. I will show you. See, the onions were chopped. You can see here. See. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the little bell icon to get new notifications of my videos.